Hi, welcome back to my channel. I got these headlights from car that I am breaking, which is Astra G MK4. These headlights are known for the yellowish stuff on them. And in this video, I will try to restore these headlights. I will use this product. Let me to make it clear. This is not sponsorship. This is the first thing I found on eBay. I will leave you a link in description down below so you can buy it too. It's cheap, it costs about 12 quid and it's for both headlights. So this is what I'm gonna try to use. But let me show you what is inside the package.
Let's go, let's see what is in. First thing that I get up from the box is this paper manual with all instruction how to do it. Next we have 3 different sun discs. Here we have wool polishing disc, 1 bracket pad and 1 bolt for the bracket pad. 1 masking tape to protect the paint. UV protection liquid and white sponge for application of that liquid. And last thing, polishing paste.
First thing for me to do is to attach the headlight back where it should be. But I need 2 hands, like that. There we go. So I'm gonna attach the headlight there. Then we can carry on, but I need 2 hands.
But this is pretty easy, it's just 3 bolts and it's back on.
Are you ready? Because I'm not. I will use this baby. There we go. Hopefully this one gonna work. Let's see.
First thing before I start sanding the headlights is to clean them properly, to make sure there is no dirt left. Then I use the first sand disc like manual say, which is the P800, and start sanding the headlights. As well I have to use water because this is wet sanding. After that I clean the headlights and repeat the process with P1200 sand disc. When you are sanding the headlights, make sure you don't put too much pressure on the lens because you can scratch the lens with the sand disc. Same like before, clean the headlights and prepare it for the last sanding with P2000 sand disc. Little bit of water, change the sand disc and let's get into sanding. When we are done with the sanding, we clean the headlights again. And then we use the polish paste and wool pad and polish the lens. I guess I shouldn't use the polish paste like that, but I couldn't get it from the tube because it was very hard. And if you had the same problem, let me know in the comments down below, because I guess this polish paste shouldn't be rock solid hard. Clean the headlights for the last time before we go to the last step.
Wow. This don't look actually that bad, honestly. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was before. Now let's apply last thing, which is the UV protection thingy. Let's go.
And as I said, now is the time for the last step, and that is the UV protection. We use the small white sponge to apply the UV liquid. And I have to say, I don't know if I done this step correctly because there was no exact instruction how to apply it.
This is the first headlight and I was a bit skeptical, but the result is absolutely incredible. I cannot believe it. It's good. It's very good. Now let's get to the second headlight. Do the second headlight and let's see the result after. I'm gonna compare them, what was before and what was after. Let's go! Both headlights are done. I'm happy with the driver's side, but I'm not happy with the passenger side. But on the passenger side, it's gonna be my fault because I maybe was too harsh to the light. But this is the driver's side, which doesn't look too bad, but this is the passenger side. And I actually don't like those scratches. These scratches was there before, so that's probably not my fault, but I could polish it more. I don't know if I could polish this one out, but this one is gonna be my fault. But this one was on the light before, so not too happy with the passenger side, but happy with the driver side. If this video was helpful, or if this video helped you in any way, consider to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in next video. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.